Hello and welcome back to my channel Arna Rocks, and in my today's video I will be telling you about air pollution. So first let us start with poisonous gases. Air pollution is very harmful for us as these poisonous gases can lead to many respiratory diseases. For example, asthma, bronchitis, etc. So now let us come to global warming. Air pollution is something that can straightly lead to global warming if it is not stopped and become a destroyer for the human beings and as well as for our earth. Now let us talk about pollution. Pollutions are mainly emitted from factories, vehicles and burning. And all the cars should be filled with CNG. This was a tip to prevent air pollution. So now let us talk about some changes which have happened on Earth due to air pollution. Because of air pollution, our Earth has gone through many changes like cutting off trees, more heat than past, droughts, etc. Now, let us move to the next topic, which is wildlife. The air pollution would firstly affect the wildlife and all the trees as the animals need their own temperature to live. In this statement, we talked about the habitat of animals. Now, let us talk about the sea levels. And pollution has increased the Earth's temperature as well as the sea levels have increased. There is a danger that rising sea levels could absorb the coastal areas like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, etc. Now let us talk about the changes which happen on Earth in last 50 years. Those changes you can see on my screen with a photograph. Now let us talk about the word meanings that you can see on my screen. Poisonous gases, global warming, earth, factories, vehicles, CNG, droughts, wildlife, absorb, coastal areas. So now let me tell you the latest news of air pollution in Delhi. So this is the latest news of air pollution in Delhi. Thank you. This was all for our today's video. Do subscribe my channel, share my channel and comment on the comment section. Thank you.